Hello everybody, it's time to find the winner of the National Friendship Day multi-channel collab. This collab had 18 channels. We were all friends, and Susan, with Susan Just Making It, had put this all together, and thank you very much, Susan. We all had a great time with this collaboration. And my partner was Bonnie, and she sent me the most wonderful gifts, a couple of them for my Camaro with my pink stripes all over it, and I just loved what she sent me, and I thank you very much, Bonnie, and I appreciate all the ladies that was in this collaboration. So let's find out who the winner of my giveaway was. I have the URL in, filter for duplicates, our word was friends, of course, and then the number 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's find out our unique comments. And we had 57. Thank you very much, everybody. That's wonderful. I really appreciate you watching the collabs and participating in them. It is wonderful, and of course we love giving back to you guys, and I wish you all the best of luck. You must be 18 years or older, have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to all 6 in this collab group 1, which was Bonnie's Bargain, Susan Just Making It, Bootsy on the Beat, Sunny's Place, and Shannon Carroll, including myself. So I will be double checking for that, and I will let you know if you have won. But for now, let's see who our winner is. And again, thank you all for participating. Here we go. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Robin L. Hey Robin, this is great. I don't think she's won on my channel. Hi Vicky. Oh, the 70s were the best years for me too. I graduated in 75 from high school. The music was wonderful and still is, LOL. I love the pink detailing on your beautiful Camaro car. Bonnie sent you some nice gifts. Pink is my favorite color. Hugs, my friend. So XO, she says, and we both share the same favorite color, and I really love the 70s music, so we have a lot in common, Robin. Congratulations. I am going to double check to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to all 6 channels, and I will be back. Okay, it's official. Robin is our winner. So let's congratulate Robin. Robin, you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your package out right away. And just remember, YouTube or any of the other brands that might have been shown in this giveaway, they are not affiliated in any way, and I am not responsible once the package leaves my hands, but I will get you a tracking number. I appreciate each and every one of you. Be sure and check my descriptions, everybody, because I have several giveaways that are still active out there and more that are coming. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.